Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is white potatoes, and we'll be making Idaho potato and veggie hash browns with scrambled eggs and Idaho potato risotto with smoked salmon. Joining me in our Morris Flat kitchen is Dr. Jami Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett.
Hello, and hi, Doctor.
These sound great, so show us where to start.
A lot of people struggle with hash browns. They don't know whether to boil their potato first. I microwave this one for 7 minutes, and you can feel how it's.
Oh yeah.
It's cooked, but it's not.
You're right.
It's not like
It's
overcooked.
cooked, but
it's not mushy.
It's
Okay.
not super mushy.
We know that a lot of the nutrient value in potatoes is in the skin, so we could just go ahead and shred these with the skin, and we just grate at that point. The different thing that we did here is that we added some vegetables. So we added some julienne zucchini, we added some julienne carrot, we added a little bit of pre-cooked broccoli, and we're going to do what I call a potato risotto.
Okay.
Okay. We all know that risotto is made from rice. In this case, we're doing a potato.
Okay, this is very interesting.
The unusual thing about this is that we did the potatoes raw. I peeled them. We did them on a mandolin.
Okay.
Very finely julienne, and I just diced them.
It actually looks like rice.
Right, so
Yeah,
they're
it
almost
does.
like the size of rice.
Yeah.
You just take the water out, strain the water out.
And what are some nutrient values too?
So not many people know that white potatoes are packed with vitamin C, which is a great source for helps your immune system. Also, vitamin C helps to absorb your iron, so that helps your red blood cells function throughout your body. There's also vitamin B, which is a great vitamin for your overall well-being and your cell health. So it'll help with your energy, your brain function. It's very important with children with their brain development, and as adults for a day-to-day basis.
Okay, and most of the nutrients are actually in the skin of the potato.
Absolutely. So there you have your fiber as well. Potatoes they're a fat-free food. They're very low allergens. Not many people are allergic to potatoes, so it's a great first food for your baby as well.
And when can you feed it to your baby?
Probably around 4 to 6 months. Of course, you'd want to consult with your pediatrician before you added any solids to your baby's diet, but it's typically very well tolerated.
They're delicious. They're versatile.
Absolutely.
So let's not forget that.
So where are we at right now?
Our hash browns are just cooking along. So what I did with the risotto was I put some butter, I sauteed some shallots, I added the minced potatoes to it, I kind of coated it a little bit with the butter, and I added stock. And we're just going to bring that to a boil and let it kind of cook. And we're going to add some other ingredients that go very well with what I think with, for breakfast with smoked salmon. We have some dill. I already put a little bit of butter in it, so we're just going to let that come to a boil.
Right,
our hash browns are doing nicely. We'll put a little bit of chives in there. The thing is about the hash browns is that you got to kind of keep kind of pushing them together and forming them almost. The butter always helps to help them brown a little bit.
Oh wow!
Wow.
You can see our risotto's starting to thicken up. I love dill with smoked salmon. Dill goes great with potatoes. There's a lot of flavors that go great with potatoes. It really is a very versatile vegetable, and I think that's why people love it, and that's why it really is probably one of the most widely consumed vegetables in
Especially
America,
for kids, because it's got a little bland flavor.
Exactly, and then you can introduce new flavors and help them to expand their palate by just incorporating into their potatoes.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
This risotto concept would work great with anything. You can have a little bit of pre-scrambled eggs here. Two nice breakfast dishes.
It's really good, very flavorful.
Delicious, yeah.
So good, the potato flavor.
You see how soft and nice
Crispy.
potatoes are. They're not they're not firm. They taste great. They blend up nicely.
Great. This risotto, I'm just so excited to try.
Wow.
It's delicious. I'm
So
definitely
flavorful.
going to make this.
Smoked salmon, dill.
Excellent.
Great flavors with
Yeah.
Great flavor, great texture, great idea.